Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you step by step how you can create a child theme in your WordPress website using a plugin Child Theme Configurator. If you are using any WordPress theme and you want to customize it without breaking your site after the theme updates, then in this video I will show you how you can safely do that. So let's first understand what a child theme is and then I will show you how to create it easily using a plugin. A child theme is basically a safe copy of your main theme, also called the parent theme. Okay, so it inherits all the design, layout and functionality from the parent theme, but at the same time it allows you to make custom changes safely. For example, if you directly added your main theme files like CSS or PHP through theme file editor, so here you will see that a different files that exist in your parent theme, and if you want to update or change them for any reason, for example if you want to enhance the functionality or change the existing functionality according to your need, then whenever there is a theme update, then all these changes will be overwritten and you will lost all your updates. But when you use a child theme, your changes stay safe even the parent theme is updated. That's why using a child theme is the best recommended way to customize any WordPress theme. Now here is a question, why you should always use a child theme? The answer is, if you want to add custom CSS, modify theme templates, customize functions, or make any advanced changes to the existing parent theme, then you should never edit the parent theme directly. Instead, create a child theme and put all your custom code there. This way your site stays safe, updates won't break anything, and you can always revert changes easily. So now let's move to practical part and let's go to plugins and install our plugin with which we will be creating a child theme. Here you can see that I have already installed it, but here you can go to add plugin, then search for child theme. And here you will see a couple of plugins that allow to create a child theme, but in this specific case I will be using Child Theme Configurator. You can install it and then activate. After activating, you can go to tools and here in child themes, and here you can see that the first tab is parent or child theme. So the default action is create a child theme, and here you can see that our active theme is being chosen by default. So if you want to create a child theme for any other theme, then you can select it. I want to keep it cadence. So before making a child theme, let's see that how our website looks like. So here you can see that this is just a starter template I imported for this tutorial purpose. So you can see that everything is working and you can navigate to the pages. Okay, so this is how the website is looking, and let's go back, and then once you click on analyze, then it will analyze the parent theme data and then it will populate all the details. So here you can see that there is a note that to update the theme name, description, etc. We have to do in step 7. So all these settings remains default. If you know how to change them and you know what will be the impact, then you can do that, but in most of the cases these will remain by default. So scroll down, and here in step 7 you can customize child theme data. You can see that it's the name for the child theme. You can change it, like it says cadence child theme. You can write it whatever you want, and here is the theme website. Even you can change it to your own. In my case I change it to my website, and here you can also change the author. In my case I write my name because I am creating it, and here I am also putting my website URL so that I can show you how it will look like. I just pasted the same. So here you go with my website URL, and here you can see that there is a theme description. We want to keep it simple, so we can say that child theme for cadence or whatever you want to add here, and we don't need any theme tags, so we can remove it. And the version, as this is the first version, so we can name it 1.0.1. and here you must select this, because if you don't select it, then it will not inherit the menus, widgets and other customizer settings from the parent theme. So to keep our existing styling and everything, you must check it. If you don't want to keep those settings, then you can uncheck, and after that click on create new child theme. Okay, so here you can see that the Cadence child theme has been generated successfully. We can preview here, or either we can go to themes and then check here. Here you can see that our child theme has been created successfully, and click on the theme details. Here you can see that it has my name, and you can see at the bottom left there is my website URL, and you can also see the other details. So let's click on live preview, and then we will activate it. So here you can see that our website is looking the exact same as it was with the parent theme. So you can now safely activate and publish the child theme. And then let's go back from the customizer, and let's visit the website. And here you can see that everything is working perfectly, and now you can safely make any changes to your child theme files, and then these will override the parent theme files, and you can modify them in the way you want. Okay, so now let's go back again and see other options. So here you can see that in the themes. Now let's go back to themes, and here if we go to the theme file editor, now here you can see that the style.css and functions.php file exist. So this is normal. The child theme only contain files that you customize. Now if you want to modify a specific file from the parent theme, you don't edit it directly. Instead go to tools, then child themes, then go to files tab, and here you can see all the files listed from your parent theme. So for example, if you want to customize a header.php file, then you can check it, or you can also check a footer.php file. And once you scroll down, then here you can see that copy selected to child theme button. Once you click on it, then here you can see that you have successfully copied the files to your child theme from the parent theme. If you want to delete these files, then you can delete them and then again copy the fresh files from the parent theme. So here you can go back again in themes, then here in theme file editor, and you can see that these files have been copied. So this is how you can copy the files and then customize them, and whatever the changes you will make to these files, they will override the parent theme and they will enhance the functionality, and this way all your updates will stay safe in your child theme, and they will not be lost with the updates of the parent theme. Okay, so why this stay safe? Even if the parent theme gets updated or the parent file is changed, your child theme version will still remain untouched because you are manually updating it and making changes on your own. So you can make changes as you need, and that's the biggest advantage of using a child theme. Okay, so now if you go here back in themes, then here you can see that the child theme has the same theme banner as the parent theme. So to avoid confusion, you can change the featured image, that is basically a screenshot of the child theme. To do that, you have to again go back to child theme in tools, then in child theme. Okay, so here in the files again you have to scroll down, and here you can see that upload new screenshot. So please make sure you crop or design your banner in 4:3 ratio, and it should have name screen dot png or jpeg or whatever. I have already made a demo banner for this, so I am going to choose a file, and here in my downloads, this is just a dummy screenshot. So make sure you can see that my file name is screenshot.png. Previously I was changing it, but I was not aware of it, and I was using any other name, but it was not working. So you have to make sure you give it a name, a screenshot, and make sure it is 4:3 ratio. Then once you click on upload, okay, so here you can see that after upload it will be successfully changed here, and here you can again go back to your appearance and themes, and you can let me again refresh because it is not changes. Same thing happened with me before because I was doing it the same way, but it was not updating. Let's go back again. Okay, so I don't think there seems an error. Okay, let me check if this is 880 or a different resolution. Let me check it. So we fix it now. Okay, so here you can see that the resolution is big. Let's make it smaller. Let me do it and then I upload it. Okay, I changed the resolution and again I choose file and here I renamed it again and then again let's upload. And let's go back and here let's see if it has been changed. I am still facing the same error, and if you have solution for this, then please let me know in the comments below. Here you can see that my resolution is the same and I renamed it properly, and also it has been cropped in 4:3 ratio, but still I am facing the same error. So here you can see that it has perfect 4:3 ratio, but it is not updating. So if you find the solution for this problem, then please let me know in the comments below. So this is how you can easily create a WordPress child theme using a plugin for any theme without touching FTP or writing any code. It is the safest and smartest way to customize your WordPress website. So in this video you have learned how to create and use a child theme in WordPress. If this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe to the channel. If you have any question or feedback, feel free to leave a comment below. Your support and engagement motivate me to keep creating useful content like this. And thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video. Bye.